I'm Jim Jones. I'm here with Hill.
I'm Peter Morgenthaler. I'm also here with Hill.
And we're at the NAB booth here in Las Vegas, and we just wanted to give a few highlights of the products that we're showing with the Hill AssuredSAN storage arrays. So, Peter, let me share a little bit of what we have with the storage product, and then I'll let you explain a little bit more of what's going on with the applications that we have running.
Great.
So the AssuredSAN 3003 storage is our fastest storage products, and what we're demonstrating here is 3 different workstations running applications that require demanding storage requirements. So our 3003 is a product that's very fast. The product that we're demonstrating here in the booth is running an 8 gigabit fiber channel interface. We also offer other interfaces, including SAS, 10 gigabit Ethernet, and a hybrid interface. So the product is fast. It's also very reliable. One of the things that customers have come to rely on with Hill storage is the fact that it just works. It's reliable. We've been able to demonstrate that with 5 nines availability. So that means 99.999% uptime. And that's really critical in a post-production environment where you need to rely on the storage and make sure that it's working all the time. We also have endorsements from a number of key companies in this space. So Autodesk, for example, is a recent OEM that's come on. In fact, Autodesk has been gracious to work with us and put together one of the demo stations that we have running in the booth here today. So I'm going to have Peter, why don't you take us through a little bit of what the applications are that are running here in the booth with our storage.
Sure. So what we really wanted to demo this year was kind of a studio in a box, per se, or like a small studio situation where you have an ingest system, an edit system, and a finishing system, all running off the same storage and benefiting from the creative opportunities of having all of your media on the same storage and not having to transfer from system to system in order to get your daily jobs done. So in that case, we have our onset Dailies system from ColorFront running on a HP Z800 with a Windows 7 platform on it. We have a Mac Pro running Final Cut Pro, and we have a Linux system also on a Z800 workstation running Autodesk Flame as the finishing system. And all 3 of those systems are pulling from the same storage, getting the same benefits from the high bandwidth availability coming out of the Hill system, and benefiting from the large volume of storage as well.
Right. Another component that we have that ties all this together is the StoreNext file system product from Quantum, and we're able to demonstrate how that file system layers on top of the storage array to allow us to bring these 3 disparate workstations together to share the same storage.
Right, absolutely. The StoreNext file system really is the underpinning that allows all the sharing to happen and provides volume and file level locking, making sure that people aren't overwriting each other's files, and generally smoothing out the experience so that everybody can benefit.
Right. And certainly customers that are buying our storage are looking for a complete solution. And that's why we partner with a number of key resellers that are really good at pulling together all the components of the system to make it all come together and work together. So it's not just having a storage product, but having a storage product that works well and works well in combination with these various applications. So yeah, we think we've got a really good demo here today, and for those of you that weren't able to come, hopefully this video gives you a little bit of an overview, so you can view this virtually and follow what we're showing here at the show this year.
Absolutely.